Okay, welcome again. In this next lesson, I'm going to show you how to find the word count, then find words, and to replace the words. So let me open to this document. So this lesson has a little thing about computer programming. So you can see, again, we all know how to find the font type now and the font size. So it's just a one-page document, but notice something. If you look down here, you can see the system is telling us that there are only 1 pages. We're at page 1 of 1, and there are 241 words here. So the system automatically counts this to give us the number of words. So if you tell a student to write a story of not more than 100 words, the system counts as he or she is writing, and of course that will guide the student on what to do. So at any particular point in time, the system will help you to count the total number of words that you have on the screen. So for example, now if I want to highlight this word language, the system will tell us the number of so that's one word out of. So the total number of words here is 241. That's what the system has told us. So now how do you find a certain words? For example, if you look up here, so here we are still at the menu option. At the menu option, if you click on find, for example, see the navigational tool appears here. So you can look for the word code. If I look for the word code, the system is telling me there's only one result, and this is found here. So if I click here, the system takes me to where it is. But if I want the word coding, enter, the system tells me that it has found a total of 6 results. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from there I could just look at what I'm looking for. So you can see coding here. In G you have coding is easily grabbed when. So if I click there, the system will take me to that exact place when young. So that's something. So if I want to change the word coding to programming, so what do? On the same section I have replace. So when I click on replace, notice what has just come up. So we have a find and replace toolbox. So we have find, we have replace, we also have go to. So find, the word is coding. To replace, so what am I replacing? Find what? I'm finding coding, and I want to replace it with another word for coding is programming. So I'm going to replace everywhere I have coding with programming. So you can choose. So I pick replace all. The system said it has made 2 replacements. So we've made a total of all the replacement has been done. So I will go back again to confirm if I still have words that has to do with coding. So I will say fine. We've reached the end. I would not see anything on that. So I can go to find and say I'm looking for the word coding. The system said there are no matches. So coding has been changed to programming. So that's how you can know the total number of words in a page. You can also find words, and you can also replace words. So if I cut out some of this, for example, the system tells me there are only 33 words here. So if you count all these, you will have a total of 33 words. Thank you for listening.